this is my second attempt to film this video. Excuse my lightning. I do not have any other time to film this video. Right now it's 5:30 p.m. so the sun is kind of leaving us and I can't do anything else. Alright, so this is gonna be July's Vegan Cuts Beauty Box unboxing. I actually already kind of opened it because, like I said, it's my second attempt, but please bear with me. Let's just dive right into them, alright? So this is a little postcard you get when you open the box, and basically what it says is, salute the sun, hot picks to complement the summer sun. So I'm gonna start off with the list, and the first company is from, no, it's not from, it's actually Nouveau Organic, and if you don't know, this is actually the line from one of the YouTubers here. Her name is Terry Miyahira or something like that. I'll link her channel down below in the description box. And let me go ahead and find the product. Alright, so I don't know where the rest of the product of the little box. It came in the little box and it's not in there. I don't know, probably my son got it. But it's this right here, and I'm really excited about this. This is actually an organic cream eye, cheek, and lip color. The color is really nice. It's like a peachy color. I'm going to be swatching this and doing close-ups, and I'm probably going to be doing demos. So you'll see them up close and probably in my skin. So it's a really nice color. It's like a peachy, rosy color. So I'm really excited about this. And actually you can take it out of this container and put it in a Z palette if you're interested in that.
I don't know what's going on with my nose. I think it's something like I'm nervous or something when I'm filming a video. And my nose just starts to itch. Like, I honestly do not understand. Anywho.
Product is Amani Vegan Cosmetics. So it's outside of the box, like I told you, second attempt. And I'm really excited about this. This is actually, like you can see, it's a full product. The company, it's Amani, like I said, and it says it's a hydrating lip color. So it's a lipstick, but like you can see, it's a gorgeous packaging. And look at this color. Isn't this just amazing? It's pretty, it's a pretty pink, purplish color. I would say like a lavender color. So I am pretty excited about this. The next product is from the brand Aloe. Yeah. So it says it's a raw buddy butter made from just 6 natural ingredients. So that's amazing. The ingredients are macadamia nut oil, coconut oil, hemp seed oil, shea butter, marula oil, and non-GMO cornstarch. So that's great. The smell, it's a really light smell, and it's pretty close to what you would smell when you smell coconut oil, organic coconut oil, or non-refined coconut oil. So it's a really light scent. It's not overpowering. So if you do not like strong scents, this would probably be of your interest. So aloe butter, that's a third product. Then the fourth product is from the brand Just the Goods, and it is also some body lotion or body butter. So I got 2 little samples. One is from, it's an unscented vegan hand and body lotion, and it's a very creamy whipped kind of lotion. It does not have any scent. And then the other one is a citrus blend, and it's also a hand and body lotion, and it's also very whipped, and it has an amazing citrus scent. Let me see what are the ingredients. So it says that the citrus smell comes from essential oils of lemon, lime, and sweet orange. So awesome smell. Fifth product is from the brand Original Sprout, and it's this right here. It says it's a moisturizing cleanser that'll keep your skin and hair feeling as soft as that of a newborn babe. So it says it's pure soothing moisture, hair and body baby wash for babies and up. Oh my god, and it has an amazing smell. Yes, I love it. So I'll probably use this with my son, of course. And let me see. It has at least one ingredient that I do not like, and it's a glycol, and I'm trying to avoid glycols completely. There's some mixed messages about glycols. I just decided that I'm gonna avoid glycols completely. This does have a caprylyl glycol, so not like it.
Alright, and the sixth and last product,
So the sixth and last product is from the brand Savvy Bohemi, and it's a bath and body oil. It's called Tall Americano, or like we would say, Americano. And it says it's with coffee infusion, sweet orange, and vanilla. I like that coffee. And let's see, so ingredients: coffee infused olive oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, and essential oils of sweet orange and vanilla. Great ingredients. And I need to smell this. So give me a second. Oh, it kind of dripped. Oh my god, yeah, it does smell like coffee. It did drip. Look, the boxes. Yeah. Oh my god, it does. It does smell like coffee. Like, you can feel the coffee, but at the same time it's masked with the sweet orange. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know. But I'll try it. It's oil, so it's great for the skin. So, 6 products, $20, vegan cuts. I do have mixed emotions about this box, but I am planning to review my last 3-month box in another video. But I give it a thumbs up and a thumbs down because 4 out of the 6 products were for the body.